Hi guys, the DJI Pocket 2 camera is an incredibly popular camera for doing things like walking tours down to its very small size. But if you're like me, out and about on the streets, you may not want to bring too much attention to yourself when using the camera. You want to be as discreet as possible. So I'm going to show you two different ways of holding the camera that's going to make it not quite so obvious to people out on the street. Alright, let's start the video. Okay, so the first way of actually holding the camera is simply just to hold it in a vertical position like so, but rather than let the entire length of the camera show, is to actually use your fingers to actually cover up the actual camera and just actually only allow the gimbal head to actually peep out of your hands. And as soon as you do that, it's immediately going to reduce the footprint of the camera and you're not going to see the Pocket 2 anywhere as near as you would do if you actually keep it completely open. But that's probably not the most discreet way of doing it. And let me go on to the second way, and this is the way I would do it today, is rather than holding the camera in a vertical position, is to actually turn it 90 degrees to a horizontal position like so. And you're going to need to actually use the joystick, if you've got one available, just to actually make sure that the gimbal remains in a level position. And this also allows you to actually peep down from above and actually still see the screen, but you can actually cover the actual rest of the camera with your hands and just only allow the actual screen to appear from above. And as soon as you do this, it's immediately going to become much more almost invisible to people walking out on the streets. And I would say this is so invisible that I can be walking with my partner, my wife, around a town, and she who's walking with me is not even aware that I'm doing any recording at all. So you can guarantee that people out and about are not even going to be paying any attention to what you're doing. So you can go and record on the street as much as you like, and people are just not even going to notice the camera. Let me show you a couple of examples of these two methods in action. So the first of all, I'm going to walk towards the camera and hold it in a vertical position, and as you can see, and pretend that we are I'm passing you by, and you can see that even this way is pretty discreet. You're not really going to notice what I'm doing. And then now let's compare it to the second way, which is in a horizontal position. And if I walk towards the camera again, you can immediately see that this way is even more discreet and unobtrusive compared to the previous way, because the camera is in virtually not even visible at all. Okay, well that's pretty much it for the video. Just wanted to show you two different ways of being able to walk on the street with the Pocket 2, which is an amazing little camera for doing things like walking tours, but just to show you two different ways of being able to record much more discreetly. So I hope you find this video useful, guys. Take care, and I shall see you soon on another video. And of course, if you do find it useful, I'd appreciate if you could like the video and subscribe to the channel and all that good stuff. Alright, take care and see you soon.